Birds are singing sweet and low from the trees that gently grow. Soft and soothing breezes blow on this lovely day. To the meadow there go I, to wander as the butterfly. How the flowers please my eye on this lovely day. I wish it could be always. Life is easy on such a day. I wish this peace on everyone on this lovely day. La la la, la dee da da. La la la, la dee da da. La da da, la dee da da. On this lovely day. Brother sun and sister moon, I seldom see you, seldom hear your tune. Preoccupied with selfish misery, brother wind and sister air, open my eyes to visions pure and fair, that I may see the glory around me. I am God's creature, of Him I am part. I feel His love awakening my heart. Brother sun and sister moon, I now do see you, I can hear your tune, so much in love with all that I survey.
The sun, the bringer of day, he carries the light of the Lord in his rays. The moon and the stars who light up the way unto your throne.
The heavens are telling breeze. They blow where they will, they blow where they please, to please the Lord. The heavens are telling the glory of God, and all creation is shouting for joy. Come dance in the forest, come play in the field, and sing, sing the glory of the Lord.
Praise for the rain that waters our fields and blesses our crops, so all the earth yields. From death unto life, her mystery revealed, springs forth in joy.
The heavens are telling the glory of God, and all creation is shouting for joy. Come dance in the forest, come play in the field, and sing, sing the glory of the Lord.
Praise for the earth who makes life to grow, the creatures you made to let your life show, the flowers and trees that help us to know the heart of love.
The heavens are telling the glory of God, and all creation is shouting for joy. Come dance in the forest, come play in the field, and sing, sing the glory of the Lord. Sing, sing to the glory of the Lord.
Make me a channel of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me bring your love. Where there is injury, your pardon, Lord. And where there's doubt, true faith in you. Make me a channel of your peace. Where there's despair in life, let me bring hope. Where there is darkness, only light. And where there's sadness, ever joy. Master, grant that I may never see so much to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love with all my soul. Make me a channel of your peace. It is in pardoning that we are pardoned, in giving to all men that we receive, and in dying that we're born to eternal life.